Hey guys, Chef Andrew here with California Mobile Kitchens, giving you a brief overlay on this tofu stir fry. So what I have assembled here on the cutting board is a zucchini, some fresh broccoli, carrots, garlic, mushrooms, and then some tofu that I've acquired that's pre-cubed. Obviously you can use any tofu you'd like. I would recommend something that's more firm. This picture right here is what would be described as a mise en place, which is really important in the business. It means everything in place. As you can see, I have my vegetables. The ones that were not diced are now cut. I've also added some hoisin on the left, some sesame oil on the bottom, and to the right you can see I've added some peas. So let's get into this. First thing we want to do is add the sesame oil to a pan that's getting hot. I've added a little more than I wanted right here, so I'm going to put some on the side because, as you'll see, we're going to need it for later. Once your pan's nice and hot, you'll see some ripples start to present themselves in the pan. At this point in time, you want to add in the tofu so it gets a nice sear. After we add in the tofu, we want to immediately turn and add in the garlic. And here goes the garlic, giving it a couple shakes to get all the love out of it. Here we're just checking for caramelization. We don't want to get too crazy and stir it up too much. Spatula. Now that I'm seeing some caramelization, we're going to add in the veggies. Starting first with everything that's a little thicker or a little meatier. So that's the zucchini, the broccoli, and getting those carrots in there, making sure our eyes are nice and tight. A couple shakes to spread the surface area. And now we really just want to let this sear, maybe move some stuff around. As you can see, the bottom of the pan's kind of dry, so now that oil that I had on the side is going to come into play. Now that everything looks good, we'll add in the mushrooms, which will take next to the least amount of time to cook. We'll move everything around, spread that surface area, try to get a good sear on everything. Once we're happy with how everything looks, we're going to add in this little bit of hoisin. A good spoonful will be just enough. Mix all this up, hit it with your lovely spatula. Last thing to add is those peas. Give it a 1-2 and a secret little splash of apple cider vinegar. And as they say, voila, the finished product. And that has been our presentation of the tofu stir fry. Thanks for watching, everyone.